Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're hopping right into it today. Before we get deep into the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified whenever I post a new video. This look is going to be very quick and easy, very straightforward. I will leave all the links to all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below because I honestly do not remember them right now. I know, however, that I did use a new Sigma palette that I got in the mail. It's a travel-friendly size. I believe I also shared this on my Instagram story when I got it, but I will leave the links, as I said, in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. But it's just a very simple, sort of like a fake, what do I want to call this? I don't know, like a faux cut crease type of thing. I'm just putting some brown shades in my crease. I'm putting some bright white matte shadow all over my lid, kind of winging it out. And then I went ahead and I put loose glitter. I know this glitter is from Inglot, which is one of my favorite glitters of all times. So I just put a little bit of that on top just to get that shimmer holiday type of spirit in the video, I guess, for the look. And then I moved on to my face. Well, I also did a wing liner. Oh my god, this voiceover is all over the place. I'm so sorry, you guys. So me puse corrector. I put concealer on the high points of my face, and then I went ahead and did my cream contour. So the products that I'm using in this video are the products I've been using, which are the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer concealer in the little pots. So I'm using SX16 for my contour, and I'm using SX, I believe it's 12 for under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with a lighter shade later on, which is the SX11, if I'm not mistaken. So just go ahead and blend that out. So for this specific day, I was focusing mostly on just snatching my face up because I was extremely bloated and just puffy all over the face, all over my body. Like I was in the mood to do my makeup, but for some reason, I don't know, I felt very weird looking this day. But the makeup came out cute though. Like it did come out real cute, I'm not gonna lie. Even though my lace messed it up, but you know what, whatever. I'm gonna stop rambling right now. Voy a dejar de hablar para que vean el video. Just enjoy the video, and then I'll get back to you guys once I'm ready to wrap it up. Okay guys, so this basically concludes today's look. I am just dividing my hair. I didn't know what to do with it, honestly, because this wig I literally took it off right after I recorded that video because it was ready to be taken off. And then I hated this red lip, so I went ahead and changed it and I did a brown nude lip instead, but I just still wanted to show you guys both. So this is the actual lip I went with that I personally enjoyed the most. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on your bell notifications so you do get notified whenever I post a new video, and make sure to check the links in the description box below. Bye.